The day that I found out that I was Teacher of the Year was one of the biggest surprises for me. Our master teacher, Miss Guillory, came and she told me I had to do something. So it was a pressing issue is how she made it seem, like Miss Brown-Lewis wants this done now. So I'm going in there a bit anxious. The absolute last thing on my mind was that I was about to be celebrated. So I walked in there that day and I see the cheerleaders, I see the board members, the staff, the camera crew. I'm like, wait a minute, it registered to me. I was like, I won, I did it. Like it was one of the most humbling but exhilarating experiences and moments in my life, because to be honored and recognized at that monumental level this early in my career meant the world to me. It wasn't something I expected or something that I necessarily pursued. I just come to work every day and I try to give my best. We need more teachers in the world who truly care about the kids. One of my favorite things here about West Jefferson High School, we nurture the entire scholar, academically, emotionally, and socially. We are committed to the growth of the whole child. I think what makes me stand out is my teaching philosophy. I let my students know you are seen, you are heard. And I think because I am so committed to making sure my students know that they're cared for, in return, they produce results in my classroom. And those results are what make me stand out as the Teacher of the Year. There are many people who I would like to thank for helping me along the way. First and foremost, I have to give all glory to God, because everyone who was placed into my life, I view them as a blessing. I will definitely thank my mother and my grandmother first for instilling in me the importance of education and of being a good person. Thirdly, I would like to thank my principal, Mrs. Vanessa Brown-Lewis, because she has served as a mentor to me in more ways than she knows at this school. And lastly, I would like to thank my students, because they're the ones who helped me become a great teacher. It's not something that I just wake up and know how to do. I'm thankful for their willingness to allow me to teach them, to be receptive of my knowledge, and to share their knowledge with me.